right, in this video, I want to go over how you can manage versions of files in Google Drive and kind of go over one use case that might be helpful. All right, so you can, as you know, upload files to Google Drive. And when you do, you have the option to get a link to share with others. If you were to, this happened to me recently, and so I'll kind of share this situation that might be helpful to others. And so it was a video that I uploaded, and I sent that via a Google, a link to a few people. And after I sent the link, though, I noticed that there was something I had to change in the video. I made a new video, and the cool thing with managed versions is I didn't have to send out that link again. I didn't want it to be confusing, sending out multiple links. So what I did was went into that file in Google Drive and right-clicked on it, and then by clicking the three dots right there, and then clicked on File Information and went to the Manage Versions link. And you get this pop-up screen, and there, right here, you see there's a link that says Upload New Version. So it'll let you select that new version, hit OK, and then there will be, you'll see two different versions up here, and the one you just uploaded is now deemed the current version. And that's the file that people will see when they click on the link that I sent. So no need to send out a new link. That is the version they'll see. And there, in your folder, there will only be one file though, and it's going to be the current one that you had just uploaded. However, if you go back into the managed version interface and delete that current version, it will then revert back to the previous version. I think this previous version stays there for a certain amount of time. But yeah, that's it. And that's how you can work with multiple file versions in Google Drive. Hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.